Welcome to the VoxSMS Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. This video is part 7 in a series of videos on VoxSMS. In this video, we'll be presenting the Reminders feature in the VoxSMS web application. From the dashboard, click on the Reminders tab. From here, you can create reminders that are sent out based on the date and time. This is useful if you need to send out a scheduled message. To create a reminder, click on Create Reminder in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the recipient of this reminder. Fill out the date, time, and message fields. For our example, we're going to pick today's date and schedule it a couple minutes from now. You can see that a reminder has been set for today. You can click on this reminder to either delete or modify it. Congratulations! You've now completed the Reminders portion of VoxSMS. This is our final video in our 7-part series on VoxSMS. Make sure you subscribe for more guides with Voxtelesys as we're continually adding new content.